Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lovette. If this is your first time of seeing this my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much as you do. Yes guys, first of all you have to put on your net, your wig cap. After doing that, use your spray to spray your hair, because you have to dry the cap on your head because of your glue. This is to protect your glue. It is very important. I don't know why some people said glue remove my hair. No, if you don't want glue to remove your hair, please guys, put on this net cap before applying your wig. Very important. That is the reason they made this cap. No, some people don't apply this net cap. Okay guys, very important. After doing that, I just use, because I love when my net is very neat. I love it neat. I love anything about glue, about her hair. I love it neat, because when it's neat, it is more beautiful, or it look professional. Okay, this is after doing that, I use my foundation. I mix two types of foundation just to get my shade. The foundation I use is from Juvia's. I love it. All my foundations from Juvia's. Okay, I use it to bring the color of my skin. After doing that, this wig cap, you know how I pluck my frontal, please just kindly drop the comment. Okay, we usually got to be was to slip the hair back. No, this was is oil. If not, your hair is not going to glow like this. You see? Yes guys, this is the best way to apply your wax, so that your net will be glow. If not, your net is not going to glow. Okay, don't let the wax to touch your net. Okay, if you don't have wax, you can use mousse. Okay, you see, as you can see on the video, I show the mousse I use. This is the type of the mousse I use. If you don't have wax, okay, you can use mousse. I prefer mousse because I don't have mousse at home. That is the reason. That is why I use wax. Okay, after doing that, I just like to use this black pen to mark the place that I'm going to apply my glue, so that yes guys, this is my first time of using this glue. I just bought this glue from AliExpress. Okay, this glue is not airborne. You see, I bring my airborne spray, and this glue is not the same. Okay, but this glue is a little strong, not like that. I don't really love the way the glue look like. I don't like it like that. Okay, I just manage. If you're a professional, you will know how to apply this type of glue. Okay, after doing that, I make sure that I apply my glue 3 times layer, because I want this hair to be glue, and I want to carry this hair for like 3 to 4 days or 5 days. That is why I apply it for 3 times, not more than. It's 3 times I apply this wig. And if you are put it on your wig, guys, if you don't want your hair to be rough, please be gently with it. Okay, that if you see, you will never see a rough glue on my wig. Never. It will be difficult before you see that, especially when I'm fixing a new wig. You will not see that. It's just only old wig. Maybe I have already used that wig before, like this, and my wig will still be neat. Okay, you can see the wig is giving, the front of the wig is giving. After using that, I use my spray, my airborne spray. Okay, this airborne spray, metal spray, is a magic. Guys, try, if you have not used it before, go and try it. Okay, it's a magic. Just apply it. If you are applying it, you see the magic. Okay, you are going to see the magic, and we just transparent the net. Is going to make the net to be neat and transparent. After all, this 30 by 6 frontal is already transparent wig. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and may God continue to bless you all. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share. Very, very important on your baby girl. Much guys, bye bye. See you all next time. Bye.